this video, I will explain how to add an external account to Truist Bank. Whether you want to transfer money between your accounts at different banks or set up payments, I will walk you through the steps to get it done. First, log in into your Truist online banking account. If you're using a phone, open the Truist app. If you're on a computer, go to the Truist website and sign in. Once you're in, look for the option that says Transfers or Transfer Money. Now, find the option to add an external account. It might say something like Link External Account or Add an account from another bank. Click on that. Next, you'll see to enter the details of your other bank account. This includes the account number and the routing number. You can find these on your bank's website or on a check if you have one. Truist will now ask you on how to verify the account. There are usually two ways. One, instant verification. If your other bank account is supported, you can log in with your credentials and Truist will link it right away. Two, manual verification. If instant verification isn't available, Truist will send you two small deposits, like a few cents, to your external account. This usually takes 1 to 2 business days. Once you see those deposits in your other bank, come back to Truist, enter the exact amounts, and your account will be verified. After the verification, your external account is linked and you're good to go. You can now transfer money between your Truist account and the external bank whenever you need to. If this video was helpful, please subscribe to the channel.